Understand mental health disorders can be treated. So once parents know that mental health disorder can be treated, then they know where they can go and get assistance. And there's a helpline that's available to parents. If you need assistance, you can also call the helpline, and they can probably get you through some of the stages and tell you a referral sources that's available for you. Another thing, be aware of adolescents' behavior. As I mentioned earlier, before I even start talking about mental health status, is that understand what's going on with adolescents, the various changes that's occurring in their lives, and that they're constantly being confronted with various things. Even before having to deal with mental health issues, there's other things, major changes that's occurring in their lives. And understand during this age as well, peer pressure. When I mentioned mental health and I mentioned substance abuse, peer pressure is one of the things that prompt a lot of students, a lot of adolescents to use drugs to that degree, peer pressure. So understand that peer pressure has a major role in adolescents' life. One other thing that I wanted to mention before our time is up, and I know we're going to talk about the various sources, the resources that are available for the student, for adolescents. With the resources that are available, and some people are afraid of the stigma that's associated with mental health illness, and one thing about it, if you do not get assistance, then the problems can compound to be even harder for you to deal with. Once they continue to go on, and there's no assistance provided for the students. By providing adolescents with assistance early on in their life, it makes their life easier when they become adults. Otherwise, if they do not get the assistance as adolescents, they become adults with difficulties functioning at the adult level, and the responsibility will be greater for them. So adolescents will have to get assistance. It is recommended that adolescents get assistance early on in life before they become adults with functioning problems. Do you all have any questions?
Yeah. Sure. Yes, we do. Thanks. In the process of seeing our children or adolescents, how do parents decide if their adolescents really need to go to counseling or not, or if they can just handle it?
As I mentioned earlier,